This is my third accessory video. This one is for the 360 keyboard. I have several videos up already. It's for the difference between the black 360 Elite controller and the white regular 360 controller. This one's for the keyboard. It's a very handy keyboard. Has the same keys as a regular keyboard. The number pad has still the same setup as a keyboard: caps, shift, backspace. You get to scroll through, enter, and it has some features like for different symbols on the keyboard. What really surprised me when I bought this is that it's only 20 bucks. I got it from GameStop. Really good price for a really good item. And what I really another thing I didn't expect about it is it still keeps that 360 controller feel. Like, it's still, like, if you look right here, looks all, like, big and everything, and it just looks like it compromises the feel of the controller while you play. But it actually doesn't, see? It actually fits still around your hand. Works really well. It has a really smooth feature, and it's actually in a great position. Like, you're playing the control and everything, and you get a message, like, I play Modern Warfare 2. And you get a message, middle button, and then type the message. It's really handy, like if you're in the middle of a game and you get an important message from somebody. Really smooth texture to the keys. Really good for fast typing. Overall, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good. I recommend it to anybody who actually tired of actually just clicking and messaging to people. It's really tiresome. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave your opinions down below about what you think about the keyboard.